The behavior of bone dynamics was significantly changed in Moho 14. So I had to find a new approach to make the baking of the dynamics work. Here's what the updated process looks like. First, as before, select the bones with dynamics, specify the range of the frames to bake, and set the interval. Then go to the frame where baking should start. It's best to do this using the arrow keys on your keyboard, starting from frame 0. This ensures the dynamics works correctly. Once you've done that, the tracking mode button will become active on the tool panel. Click the tracking mode button, then hold the right arrow key on your keyboard until the tool panel displays the message "Tracking complete." Finally, just press the bake button. That's all. It's important that in tracking mode frames must be processed strictly in order, from the start frame to the end frame. If you go to a previous frame, or move the playhead forward by several frames at once, you need to start over. The script also supports baking the position and scale of bones. I hope you find it useful.